Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Nikki from Team Gyan Kshetra. In this video, we'll be discussing about how you should be utilizing your next 3.5 months so that you don't miss out on anything and you come out with flying colors in your NEET UG entrance exam. So, starting from the very basic, how you should be preparing. So, first thing, you have already been preparing for past 2 years. This is just the last leg of the preparation process. So, you just need few tricks and few techniques which you should accumulate in your study process so that you don't regret later on that why you have missed out on anything or shit काश मुझे किसी ने बता दिया होता. So here me and my team have devised few 4 to 5 points which you should take into consideration while you are doing your studies. So first and foremost, make a timetable for yourself. Stick to your basic timetable. Many a times we meet student, we listen to student, they make a robust timetable for themselves. So those are so much ambitious that they don't even follow it. So make a very realistic timetable for yourself where you're devoting adequate time for your studies, your extracurricular activities, your sleep and everything, because as I always say, MBBS preparation is a consistent process. You cannot be running one day and you just cannot relax the other day. So make a very realistic timetable for yourself. Second, stick to very basic study material. Don't go and start collecting material because end of the day those collected materials you never follow. Just go to your very basic. NCERT is the backbone of your NEET MBBS entrance exam. Study your basic NCERT first. Read everything. Don't leave anything. Read line by line of the NCERT. Your NCERT should be in your fingertips. Second, even if you're following any of the coaching institute or any other study material, just follow one. Don't go and randomly follow n number of study material. Just follow one and stick with one. Number third, start solving a lot of MCQs, sectional tests. These are very important because after certain time period, suppose you have done a chapter today, after 15 days you might forget that chapter. But giving sectional test or MCQs help you recall the whole of the section, whole of the chapters. So start giving a lot of MCQs and sections, so that's very important. Also, one major problem which we are finding a lot of students is they make MCQ as a way of study. See, MCQ cannot be a way of study. It cannot replace your textbooks. Textbooks are the most important aspect. So it's very important that you read textbooks, that is NCERT, and then do your MCQs. But not doing MCQs the whole day, and if you're stuck with certain type of question, then you're referring to your reference book or your NCERT. This is complete no-no. Number 4, do make a time for yourself for revision. Revision over here doesn't mean something which you're doing after you've done your first reading. Revision over here means whatever you have read in a whole day, keep 45 minutes time for your revision so that you are recalling what you have done in the whole day before you go up to your sleep. So this would help you to recall those chapters in a better way, and you will not forget it that easier, because many times we study and then we don't revise and then next day we are hopping to the next chapter. But if we stop, if we revise, so we are increasing our recall value. Fifth, and the most important part is, please start solving your mock tests. Start giving mock tests. A lot of students, they think that mock tests are a waste of time. Always understand, mock tests give you a relative analysis as to where do you stand, what are your strength areas, what are your weak areas, which sections of your require too much of your efforts, which section doesn't require too much of your effort right now. So start giving mock tests. This will also help you to manage your time, whether you are able to solve this question on this in 3 hours. That's very important. Lastly, also please refer to previous 7 to 8 year question paper. That is very important. That gives you a gist as to what type of questions are asked, how they frame the question, what are the topics if you have missed out on any topic, which are the important ones which you should consider. So these are the very basic things which you need to consider while you're doing your preparation. I would not say that you should include all the things, but whatever you feel that it's necessary or it's important or could increase or could improve your performance, please feel free to use any of the techniques. So I'll just wind it up. First, make a timetable for yourself. Second, do your NCRT. Third, give a lot of mock tests. Fourth, do give mock MCQs and revision and MCQs and sectional tests. Fifth, solve previous year papers like 7 to 8 year previous year papers. That's it. So if you have any problem, any query, you can always get in touch with our experts via phone call, via email. So our web address is www.gyanshetra.com and our phone number is 011 450 81755. All the best, guys.